Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Only in the Zone YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to see Nifty and Bank Nifty daily analysis for tomorrow trade, that is 19/5/2021. And in this video, we are going to see the three-part analysis. And first is FIA data and option chain data, and the next one is technical analysis, and the next one is our advanced method of GAN numbers we are going to see. So we'll see one by one. First, we'll see FIA, DA, F&O data and option data. If you see F&O data, the client means the normal retail traders. They are in the short position with Nifty future, and they bought call and even they bought put. I think market giving a huge momentum, so the retail investor thinking the market can give a move either way. That is the reason they bought both call and put. It is called a long straddle. Maybe that may be the reason. That is why numbers are showing in green. Is buy numbers. And if you see FIA data, and they bought future, and even they bought call option, and even they bought a put option. Why this put option buy? To protect this future long. So if you see, if only the domestic DA data, it shows some bearishness. Why? The future they bought around 15,000 crore, and call they in the short position. They took a huge sell in the call. They have sold very huge number, and even they sold put. Here I think it is a either strangle or a straddle. They have done it, so that is the reason the figures looking slightly vary. But I'm expecting some bearishness in the DAE data. So as per this F&O data, that FIA and DA data, so FIA purely they are on the buy side, maybe a gap up, and the rally may continue further. But the DA data, it's something here, like they have sold a lot of call options. So since market moving very higher, but still they are in the short in the call side. So this may be some trigger point by sellers. The seller may come like point of time, like in the upper level, maybe by around 10:30 or 12 before 12:30 we can find that either the trend going to continue or it going to reverse. That we can find out in the mid of the session, like in the second half we can find out. So data conclusion is, so still both this is in bullish trend, but only the DA is selling. The call selling is making to think about the trend reversal also. We'll see maybe a profit booking, or maybe they may think that market can reverse from here. We will see like in the tomorrow market. So we'll move on to the next analysis of the interest data. If you see Nifty open interest data, it shows some bullishness here. So the puts were more written than the call, but it is almost like very minimal difference. That is not a major difference here. The weekly position. But if you see intraday, so intraday there were more were written than the call. Here you can see here there are puts were very strong. The written puts more than the call. Also, you see calls here, so it is very far, like 15,250 and 15,300 range. There is a resistance, but support is looking very strong. So again, as per this data, tomorrow also may be a gap up, and the gap up, if gap up want to sustain or the trend need to continue, the market needs to break 15,250 or 15,300. This is the resistance range tomorrow going to be. So if Nifty reach this level and look for a selling opportunity, or wait for the price action, like in case of any bearish patterns, then you can go for a sell, since the market moving very higher, like very violently upside. So it is almost 300-400 point up. So don't go aggressive sell, better wait, then go for a sell. I'm expecting some reversal at this 12,000, 15,000 to 252, 300. I'm expecting some reversal as per open interest data. Today open interest data. If you see weekly, it is clearly buy, but since I can see some spike into 15,250 and 15,300 range. There is a call written, and we look at Bank Nifty also. If you see Bank Nifty, that means weekly expiry, that weekly overall data. So here also same, puts were written more than the call, but there is very slightly different. The slight difference is that if you see overall resistance and support, it is trading above the support level. Now it is in the resistance. So previously 34 was the resistance. Now it is acting as a support. So again, there may be a gap up. But if you see here, there were more calls were written at 34,500. I sense that market can reach 34,500, but from there may be a consolidation or there may be a fall towards top. So you better be careful at 34,500 level as per open interest data. You see intraday changes, that is open interest change for a day. So usually market moving higher, so calls were unwinding and puts were getting added. So if you see here, the puts were added, and here 34,000, there are more puts added today since market closed above 34,000 today. So tomorrow, I don't think so there is a resistance in the short term, like 34,500 also. There won't be any resistance for intraday, but weekly shows resistance at 34,500. So be careful at 34,500 level in case of any up movement tomorrow. And we'll look at technical chart and then Gann chart. So first we'll look at technical chart next. For technical analysis and Nifty day chart. See day chart Nifty. So there was a trend line here, and now market open above the trend line, and I don't think so the market will give immediate momentum upside. So every time, if in case of any breakout happening, so usually market what does know, so it will go further little up, and it may be a consolidation or it may be a retest the same level, and again there may be a up momentum possible. So don't expect the immediate momentum towards up, because there was a huge resistance here. This is, if you see here, there are 4 times in the day chart itself. There are 4 times it tested. Now it has broken out. Maybe tomorrow may be a gap up opening, and then market can come down and test it. On Thursday or Friday, it can give a upside movement. And if we see for intraday, we'll take 1 hour chart, the trend, and 15 minutes we'll see the entry, possible entries. First I'll take 1 hour chart. If I see 1 hour chart, so there was a range breakout, and previously also we have discussed, and this is the range. Now it is taken out, and now this level will act as a resistance. That's what the open interest data also says. 15,250 to 15,300 is going to act as a resistance. So be careful at 15,250 to 15,300. So from there market can come down and test, then it can move further up. So maybe tomorrow up movement in the first half, second half maybe a down movement, but we'll see. In case market gap down, then we'll decide. In case market gap up, we'll see how it will react in the 15 minutes technical chart. If I take 15-minute chart, so there was a clear uptrend, and this was a swing. It is forming now. So if you see here, there was a consolidation in the complete day today. So if you see the technical view, there was a thumb triangle kind of pattern. So in case of gap down below this, we can expect aggressive sell. In case of gap up opening, we can expect a buy towards 14,250 to 15,300. In case of flat opening, then we can expect some more consolidation. Then after that, and break out. So you watch this level. So here you can mark the high and low levels. So you just wait for the opening. So in case market opening below this, there may be a selling pressure. And in case opening gap up, there may be a buying pressure towards 15,250 to 15,300. In case opening flat, then again the consolidation will be expected. We'll take Bank Nifty also. We'll see Bank Nifty day chart first. So to get the longer trend, what is the chart actually says. So even if you see here, there is a trend line, and now it is taken out, broken out, and still there is a high. So this high has to be break, then only the uptrend resumes. Otherwise, there may be a downside towards this, and again it can move further up. So don't take any considerations now. Don't consider this as a perfect breakout. So still I'm not complete bullish on Bank Nifty. So since it is exactly at trend line, so tomorrow maybe a little up move towards 34,500 range, and then it can come down for the retest, and then it can move higher. So as per day chart, there is a neutral candle, and tomorrow also I'm expecting some volatility, then breakout. So we'll see which side it is in the smaller time. I'll take one hour chart. So if I take 1 hour chart, and yeah, here also there is a range it is forming. If you see here, Nifty clearly the range was broken, but Bank Nifty is still under the range. So even if it is opening a gap up tomorrow, there may be a selling chance for us. So it can come further down, and then it can move here. We'll see 15 minutes also. So if we take 15 minutes, so it is likely to be get resist at this 34,300 to 400 range. If you see here, 34,300 to 400, and maximum 34,500 is going to act as a resistance. So in case market tomorrow, for a tomorrow plan, so we'll see how it will be our trading setup. So here also I can see some consolidation. So in case of breakout, so here it is looking like a triangle. So in case of break upside, we can expect a good momentum, and even if it is opening gap down, we can expect a further selling pressure. In case opening flat, then there may be a consolidation. After that, there will be a breakout either side. You have to wait for the breakout. So we can consider as a breakout, and then we can go for a long or short, depends on the levels. And now we'll see then levels, where to buy and where to sell, whether it is in a buy or a sell. We'll see Nifty and Bank Nifty both. If you see Nifty as per GAN method, if you see Nifty at exactly today, that's what today 18th, took a sell at this main zone, and even morning gap up, and started falling towards the first target. Again, it just keep trying to break this particular zone. So tomorrow that is 19th, in case market breaks 15,190 and 5 to 10 minutes if keep trading at the same level, then we can expect a further up move towards 15,300 and 15,376. So this is what I'm expecting in Nifty. So in case this happened, in case market opening flat and breaking this 15,067 and 1 or 2 candle 5 minutes candle trading below, then we can expect further 14,945 in that downside. So these are the levels for tomorrow as per GAN. So now as per GAN, Nifty at sell zone. So until break 1519. See Bank Nifty also. In all previous video, we have clearly said from 32,400 to 33,856, it is easily possible to be in the buy side, and exactly that has happened. Now, Bank Nifty clearly targeted a buy target. Now it is standing at a sell number of 33,856. This is a intraday level only. It's not a positional. Still positional target upside. Market has to move above 35 or 36,000. But for intraday, in case market tomorrow reacts for this number, you just take these numbers. So this is the stop loss for buyers. So in case Bank Nifty breaks 34,225 and started trading 1 or 2 candle in the 5 minutes, then there is a possibility of 4,969 and 35,300. So in case market breaks 33,489 and started trading 2 to 3 candles, then we can expect 32,700 and 32,400 again. So this is the level for tomorrow in Bank Nifty. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this.